One's 100K, one's $750,000. I think 100K is very, very close. I think we'll get to 100K probably by the summer, if not sooner. I mean, it's March now. I think by June we'll probably be, I mean, the halving is in April at some point. I think the halving, I was checking online, it's based on when all the blocks and all that stuff happen. So it looks like it might actually happen around probably April 20th, they're estimating. It's hard to say. It could happen before or after that. There's a lot of parties here in El Salvador the week of April 2nd through the 9th, which is cool. Could be, somebody's saying could be 100K before April ends. That's not out of the realm of possibility considering. So if we look at, let's bring up a chart. Let's just bring up, I'll just bring up CoinDesk or one of these charts like this. So let's just bring up a chart. Hold on. God, CoinDesk is so frustrating sometimes. Let's do this. Let me just bring up a chart. Maybe the halving price is already in. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like, let's bring up the chart and look at what Bitcoin's been doing. So this is CoinDesk. One of the things, and if you look at, let's look at the last 3 months. So look what it's done in 3 months' time. So it's gone up roughly just under $30,000. No, it's gone up $30,000 in 3 months, right? So if it's gone up $30,000 in 3 months and it keeps going in this rate and we have the halving, 100K is only 25,000 away, roughly. We hit an all-time high of 73,000, so that's what, 28,000 away, which is roughly what it's done in the last 3 months. So if it keeps performing at this rate, it'll be at 100,000 by June. No problem. Now, there's other factors, and who knows, every time you hit an all-time high, which we are just in right now, we just 70,800 or something, 73,800 roughly is the all-time high. We're right now right at 73. So the thing you gotta remember is every time you hit an all-time high, that means every single Bitcoin holder is in a profit. So that's why sometimes when you hit all-time highs, there's a little bit of a pullback. Because this means now, especially the people 3 years ago that bought in at 65, the last all-time high was, 3 years ago was 69,000. So anybody that bought in that price range, let's say 65 to 69,000, some of those people are going to go, I'm going to just take my profits and get out of here. I don't personally recommend that strategy, but that's what you just have to understand whenever there is a all-time high. So we're at an all-time high again. So that means if you bought at 69,000, you're in a $4,000 per coin profit. Some people might want to realize those profits, which means so when we got to 65,000 or 69,000 the last time, which a couple weeks ago, remember there was a big whale that some whale sold like 10,000 coins or something crazy like that. So that could happen again. But I think it's just going to keep going up because more spot ETFs keep getting approved.